Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is super quick and easy. I'm going to be showcasing the Butterfly Gala stamp set in the fact that we're going to be using this sentiment, thank you very much, as well as the Butterfly Beauty Finlets, and we're going to be making this butterfly. So move that out the way. I've already pre-cut out the 2 layers of the finlets that we're going to be using. I should put that way, like so. So as you can see, you get 2 layers, a thicker one and then a more detailed one. In the example I used Balmy Blue, however today I'm going to use Mango Melody. Let me just check. Yeah, Mango Melody, I'm right. So, I'm going to show you how I mat this on top. I would recommend you use the self-adhesive sheets. It'd make it a lot easier for you so you can just plonk it on and not worry about glue. However, I've run out. So I'm just going to find some areas which I can dab the teeniest, tiniest bit of glue. And because we're going to cut this up, I highly recommend you put some adhesive on each butterfly. Just so you can use them for other cards. Now, of course, you might not want every wing glued down. You might want to just glue it in the middle and then have it flapping up. That would be create an interesting effect. So that's always something you could try yourselves. But for me, because I'm going to be using several of these in some projects, I'm just going to lie this on top, like so. And what I would do is try and find a centre point, and then from there work around to get it all glued down. One good thing about the Tombow glue is the fact that it can be abused in the sense that you can still move everything around until such time as you are content with the positioning. Like so. So yes, I did have to play around a little bit just to get it on, but it's worth it. So for this card, I'm bringing in my scissors and we're going to be snipping off the smaller ones around the edge. But what I would do is try to do it in a way so that you can use these again. So for example, I could round this one slightly, and then that's one. I'm just going to cut this one straight. There's 2. This one super thin. An additional bit there. 3. Then this one, slightly tricky, because while that's fine, you do have the bottom that's slightly thin. As you can see there. See how thin it is there. But at the end of the day, you could always have a layer or a sentiment, just slightly hiding it, so then you can still use that one. So you got 5 butterflies from that one die. So that's 5 cards potentially that you could make. So I'm going to bring in my card base, which is Whisper White Fit card, and that's like so. And I've got a mat, and that's just 4mm all the way, well, 2mm on each side, smaller. And I'm going to stamp our sentiment now. So I'm just gonna try and get this as straight as I can with the camera in my way. So I'm inking it up in Memento ink, sorry, and I'm just going to stamp that down like so. That's reasonably straight, even if I do say so myself. And I'm just going to snow adhesive down, mat that on top of the card base, easy peasy, and then just grabbing some foam strips, just going to cut a little bit off, and that can sit in the main body, like so. Actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring in some mini ones just to secure it down a little bit more. Rather safe than sorry. That's just going to sit at the top of it, like so. Put it down. And there, so you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a list of all the items used is available, as well as links to my online shop where you can purchase them. While you're down there, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share to your social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such a pretty card. I'll see you around. Bye.